morning, Standard 5. Today we are going to read SST chapter 7. The name is Nature and Us. You know, we depend on nature for many things. These are air, water, soil, plants, animals, metals, coal, and so on, so on. So all these are gifts of nature. प्रकृति का ये दान है, ठीक है. So even the raw materials of man-made things such as plastic and glasses, it is come from nature. So in this chapter we are going to talk about how nature maintains a balance, the ways in which we upset this balance, and what we can do to protect nature. So first of all, we will read about environmental balance. Balance कैसे होता है देखो. All the natural things around us, हमारे चारों तरफ जितना भी नेचुरल चीज जो है हम लोग देख रहे हैं, ये क्या है ना, मेकअप आवर एनवायरनमेंट. नेचर ट्राइज टू मेंटेन ए परफेक्ट बैलेंस बिटवीन ऑल दीज थिंग्स. बैलेंस रहता है सबका साथ. कैसे होता है यही चीज हम लोग को इस चैप्टर में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. ओके, सो दिस मीन्स द ट्राइज टू मेंटेन द प्रॉपर अमाउंट्स ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. लेट अस लुक at a few examples to understanding this about. Living beings use oxygen from the air, and give out carbon dioxide. Plants use carbon dioxide and make oxygen. हम लोग जो छोड़ते हैं, प्लांट्स जो है वो लेते हैं, और वो जो छोड़ते हैं हम लोग लेते हैं. ये हमारा एक बैलेंस रहता है पूरा नेचर. सो दीज and other processes help to balance the amount of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the air. So nature keeps a check over the numbers of plants and animals. For example, in a forest, carnivorous flesh eating animals जो है check the numbers of herbivorous जो plant eating animals है. If they did not, the herbivorous would eat up all the plants and the forest would vanish. नहीं रहेगा फॉरेस्ट. एक अगर रहेगा ज़्यादा तो दूसरा नहीं रहेगा. दोनों को बराबर होके रिलेशन रख के, वो जो बैलेंस रख के वो रहना पड़ेगा. सो प्लांट्स टेक्स मिनरल्स फ्रॉम द सॉइल. नेचर हैज काउंटलेस वर्कर्स that return these minerals by recycling waste. These workers include bacteria, fungi, and earthworms. They feed on waste such as dead plants and animals, and in the process they break it down and return minerals to the soil. Water is continuously moving from the oceans to the air as water vapor, and from the air to the earth. Earth has rain, snow, etc., etc. So this continuous movement of water from the earth's surface to the atmosphere and back is called the water cycle. It renews our fresh water supply, rivers, lakes, ponds, etc., etc. So it also renews groundwater, since a part of rainwater seeps under the ground to form this store of water. Then spoiling the balance. There are many things we do to spoil the balance in nature. Deforestation. First one is deforestation. It is very main thing. We cut down the trees in forests for wood and to make room for our crop, fields, industries, roads, towns and villages. So deforestation or the clearing the forest, it is harmful in many ways. There are in your book 5 points are there. It increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. पेड़ नहीं रहेगा तो हम लोग जो छोड़ते हैं वो ज़्यादा होगा, परसेंटेज बढ़ेगा एयर में. It leads to the loss of wildlife. It also drives wild animals into villages and towns in search of food. This is why leopards attack cattle in our towns and villages. It harms the soil as the roots of trees protect the soil from being blown or washed away. धोके साफ कर देता है. It reduces rainfall because trees help to make clouds by giving out water vapor. It causes floods also as rainwater rushes down slopes when there are no trees to check the flow. नदी में जो पानी का फ्लो जो है उसको चेक नहीं कर पाएगा. Then killing animals in large numbers. ये कैसे? We kill animals for food and sport and for their skin, tusks, fur and so on so on. So this has wiped out many animals. When an animal is no longer found in an area, the balance in nature gets disturbed and this may harm others. For example, if deer vanish from our forests, tigers may start killing our cattle or for food. And if we kill all the lions in a grassland in Africa, herbivores such as the zebra and the gnu may eat up all the grass and turn the area into a desert. Desert भी हो सकता है. Then pollution कैसे होता है? To pollute something means to make it dirty. Many of things we do lead to a pollution of air, land and water also. First, air pollution, smoke given out by vehicles, factories and wood fires increases the amount of carbon dioxide and other harmful gases in the air. Smoke also has soot, means teeny or burnt pieces जो है. All these things pollute the air and cause different diseases. They also harm other living beings, especially plants. When the leaves of plants get coated with soot, they cannot make what? Food. कैसे बनाएंगे? बना नहीं पाएंगे. When the carbon dioxide in the air becomes higher than normal, it cannot be balanced by the usual nature processes. So some scientists believe that these can be increase the temperature of our planet, हमारे अर्थ जो है, and lead to change in climate. And we call it what? Global disturbance or global warming. Then come to the point, soil pollution. Soil कैसे pollution होता है? Soil gets polluted by the garbage and factory wastes we dump on it. The part of garbage that comes from plants and animals, cooked food, farm waste, etc., is broken down by nature's clearing. The other part of it, metals, plastic, glasses, etc., remains unchanged. ये तुमको मालूम है? Some metals such as lead and mercury and chemicals such as paints and pesticides are there most harmful. Pesticides are things we use mostly to kill insects and other organisms that harm crops. जो क्षति करता है उसको पेस्टिसाइड के द्वारा किलिंग करना पड़ता है. These harmful chemicals not only pollute the soil but also get washed off into rivers and lakes. They seep through the soil and pollute groundwater too. Now, last point, water pollution. All the dirty water from homes, offices, schools, hospitals, factories and so on flows into rivers, lakes on the area or the area. Among the harmful things it carries are chemicals and diseases causing organisms. People throw garbage and bathe farm animals in water bodies. वो फेंक देते हैं जो वेस्टेज चीज सब. So polluting them even more. All these things, the water unfit for use, besides the chemicals harm plants and animals that live in water. So they also reach us through the fish and other aquatic creatures what we eat. Okay? So next class we will read ये जो हम लोग ये इवेंट सब हो रहा है इसके लिए व्हाट कैन वी डू, हम लोग क्या कर पाएंगे. ओके, थैंक्स.